How to add multiple photos on Instagram. It's pretty simple. Tap on the plus sign icon which is at the middle. From there, now you can choose multiple photos by tapping on the copy type of icon at the side. Now choose any photos that you want and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is actually the photo order, so you can arrange it accordingly. And once you're happy with it, just tap on next. Now you can make it wider or you can make it narrower by tapping on this side of the symbol option here. And once you are happy with it, you can just tap on next. Now you can add the caption if you want to and tag people, add your location or even boost your post. Once you're happy with it, just tap on the share option which is at the top of the screen. Now it will take a while for it to be finished up and the photos will look something like this. As you can see, it is in an order. For an example, you want to delete any photo from there, tap on the 3 dots and tap on edit option, and at the top of the photo you will find a dustbin icon. Just tap on it and the photo will be deleted from the slide. Wasn't it simple? Hopefully you will give it a try and thank you so much for watching.